Good morning everyone. அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். Honorable Justice Dr. S. Vimla Madam, Honorable Justice Mr. P. N. Prakash Sir, Senior Advocate A. Tyagarajan, Cyber Law Expert Mr. Na Vijayakumar, Mr. Ramesh Venkatraman, Mr. Krishna Shastri, and two of the senior advocate would be joining virtually, Mr. Rajesh Singh Advocate, Senior Advocate N.S. Napinai, Cyber Society of India life members, advocate who are present here, law students. It is indeed my pleasure to extend the warm welcome to Chief Guest, Chief Justice, Sir, Madam, and the speakers, advocate, participants who are here. Welcome you all. We would like to express the gratitude to Chief Guest for accepting our invite to proceed over the function. To give a little background about Cyber Society of India, Cyber Society of India was formed in 2004 with like-minded people from various backgrounds that includes government, banking, private institutions, law enforcement, the legal professionals, advocate. The vision of CySI is to create awareness to the netizens on emerging cyber threats and prevention methods so that we can bring in peaceful and ethical online community. This is our vision. To attain this vision, CySI has been successfully conducting various programs through various channels. If I need to name few, we are conducting regularly the physical programs like this, the workshops once in 2 months. We are also participating in leading television channels for the debate related to cybercrime topics. We are also publishing the magazines to create awareness about emerging cyber threats and security guidelines, which has an overwhelming response from participants. Now with this background, today's topic is very, very important, and we have a pertinent topic in the current context, right, wherein effect from 1st of July, new act came into picture. Also the last year, the DPDP that has been again came into effect, right, to take care of the privacy aspect. So if you look at today's session, we have two topics. Forenoon, we would be covering on complexities of digital evidences, section 61 and 63 from BSA, because BSA is that is a new act, replaced Indian Evidence Act, that is 1872. BSA Bharatiya Sakshiya Abhinayam, right? So this is the act, new act. So we would be focusing only on 61 and 63, which talks about electronic records, admissibility of electronic record in court of law. So we will limit our conversation around this. Specifically in the new law talks about certain requirements on certificate, expert signature, then computer output. There is a need for creating a hash values. We would also delve more into what are all the practical, the complexities around these requirements. How do we achieve or how do we meet when it comes to the legal compliance part? This is part number 1. Post-lunch session, second session, we would be covering on India Digital Personal Data Protection Act, DPDP. That is again Act 2023. Again, to provide more insights, we have a legal experts to talk about that. So these two topics we will be covering in this workshop. So I would encourage all the participants to make use of these sessions. If you have any queries on these topics, please make a note. There is a separate Q&A session that is planned end of the session. We would encourage you to basically write down your questions, give it to the CySI volunteers so that we can facilitate addressing all your queries through the experts who are present here. With this introduction, I will welcome once again all of you to this particular things. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.